In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss report in Xero. To get started, sign into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. This report is one of the most important financial reports in Xero because it gives you a clear summary of how your business is performing over a specific period by showing income, expenses, and your resulting profit or loss. After you're signed in, go to the top menu and click Reporting. This is where Xero stores the main financial reports you'll use to monitor business performance. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. Everything is organized in a fairly straightforward way, and the profit and loss report is usually easy to find from the reports list. Next, select Profit and Loss from that list. This opens the report template, where you can adjust the date range before generating the final view. The profit and loss report is sometimes called an income statement, and it's especially useful for checking whether your business made money during a certain month, quarter, or year. Now, choose the reporting period you want to review. Select the date range that matches the time frame you need, whether that's the current month, last month, this financial year, or a custom period. Choosing the right reporting range is important because it directly affects the figures you'll see in the report. If you're comparing performance across time periods, be sure to double-check the dates before continuing. Once the date range is set, click Update to generate the report. Xero will refresh the data and display the latest figures based on the period you selected. If you've made recent changes to transactions, this step ensures you're seeing the most up-to-date version of the report. When the report appears, take a moment to review it carefully. You'll see sections for income and expenses, along with the net profit or net loss for that reporting period. This is the key part of the report because it helps you understand where money is coming from, where it's being spent, and whether the business is operating profitably. Finally, if you need to save or share the report, click Export and choose your preferred format, such as PDF, Excel, or Google Sheets. Exporting is useful if you want to send the report to an accountant, include it in a presentation, or keep a copy for your records. Thanks for watching.